is this for? Young children, ages 3 to 8, with no English background. ESL beginners in low-resource schools. Non-native English-speaking communities. Homeschooling parents and educational NGOs. Children who have difficulty learning how to read. Study plan. Objectives. Letter recognition or print awareness. This includes the capital and lowercase letters. Letter knowledge and phonological awareness. Phonemic awareness is the ability to hear, identify, and manipulate individual sounds or phonemes in spoken words. Blending sounds, part of phonics. This will start from two-letter words to longer words. Vocabulary. Correlate the words learned in blending sounds to pictures. Listening. Learn the differences of the sounds. Syllable segmenting. Learn about syllables for easier reading from 4 to 6 letter words. Analogy. Let's understand the approach. We'll compare the approach to eating a bowl of rice. If you try to feed a bowl of rice to a kid all at once, the kid won't be able to eat it. He won't be able to chew it. The kid may spit it out or even choke. However, if you feed the kid a spoonful at a time, he has time to chew and swallow, he has time to enjoy the flavors, and he won't have any digestive issues. The amount is digestible for the kid. It's the same as learning. If you bombard the kid with so much information all at once, the kid won't remember much and he may even feel stressed. However, if you give him a little information at a time using a pattern structure, he will absorb the information. The kid will be able to apply the patterns easily as he uses them more often. The brain is structured to identify and create patterns, which is how a habit is created. So this learning approach was created to be digestible for kids. Approach. Grouped letters. Example. SATIPN. This approach helps students learn a certain pattern that will make it easier and faster for them to learn the other letters. Step 1. Focused on letter recognition. Watch the video at least once a day. Familiarity of the letter names with the form of the letters. Use the writing template to write the letters. This helps students remember the form. Based on neuroscience, writing helps remember things. In class, review the letters. To check if the student can identify the letters. Step 2. Focused on sounds. Watch the video at least once a day. The video shows how the mouth is formed to produce the sound. Familiarity of the letter sounds with the letters. Sound formation is muscle memory. Practice repeatedly. In class, review the sounds of the letters. To check if the student can relate the sounds to the letters. Step 3. Focused on blending sounds. 2 letters. Watch the video at least once a day. Familiarity of blending the sounds. In class, review 2-letter word blending. To check if the student can blend. Step 4. Focused on blending sounds. 3 letters. Watch the video at least once a day. Familiarity of blending the sounds. In class, review 3-letter word blending. To check if the student can blend, and show images of some words. Step 5 and 6. Focused on blending sounds. 4 to 5 letters. Step 7. Practice. Read sentences that only contain the grouped words. Remember. Do not rush. There is no point in rushing the student to learn. The goal is for the student to acquire the language without stressing him out. It is common for students to find Group 1 in this reading program challenging. It usually takes 2 weeks for each step to be learned. Do not fret, because as the class progresses, the student will become familiar with the approach and will naturally speed up learning.